Fairness and Humanity, Building a Better World Together. Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, fairness and humanity. These two values are essential for creating a peaceful, respectful, and successful society. Although they are simple concepts, they have a powerful impact on our daily lives. So let's begin. What is fairness? Fairness means treating people equally and giving everyone the same opportunities. It is about making decisions without favoritism or discrimination. For example, in a classroom, a fair teacher gives every student an equal chance to participate and learn in the workplace. Fairness means rewarding employees based on their effort and achievements. Fairness helps build trust, respect, and cooperation among people. What is humanity? Humanity refers to kindness, compassion, empathy, and respect for others. It means caring about people's feelings and helping those who are in need. Humanity can be seen when someone helps a stranger, support a friend during difficult times, or volunteers to assist communities affected by disasters. Humanity reminds us that we are all connected and responsible for helping one another. Why are fairness and humanity important? When fairness and humanity work together, they create stronger communities and better relationships. Fairness ensures justice, while humanity adds compassion. Imagine a leader who is fair but lacks humanity. Their decision may be correct, but they may not understand people's struggles. Now imagine a leader who is compassionate but not fair. They may unintentionally favor certain people over others. A truly great leader combines both fairness and humanity. How can we practice fairness and humanity? Here are some simple ways. Listen to others before making judgment. Respect different opinions and background. Treat everyone equally. Help people who need support. Be honest and responsible. Show empathy when others face difficulties. Small action can make a big difference. Real life example. Imagine two students working on a group project. Fairness means both students share the work equally. Humanity means one student help the other if they are struggling with a problem. Together, fairness and humanity create teamwork, trust, and friendship. Conclusion: fairness and humanity are not just values, they are foundation for a better future. By treating people fairly and showing kindness, we can build stronger communities, better workplace, and a more peaceful world. Remember, every act of fairness and every act of humanity can inspire the positive change. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. If you enjoy this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring discussion. See you in the next episode. Stay fair, stay kind, and keep making a positive difference in the world. Thank you for listening.